Young man, look at that beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful thing.
I had a chippy around putting 2 external doors on this weekend, and I had a cover over it. I just took the cover off, it's covered in fucking sawdust.
Sawdust, it'll blow off. How the hell are you? Hobbits here, look. Look at that, W800.
Right.
That's ace. He rides that well. How are you, mate? All rocked up at the same time. Okay, so we're going to have a ride down to Lobethal. We're at Crafers at the moment. Got Andy behind us on his Thruxton 1200, beautiful. Nigel on his W800, and he rides that ever so well. So we're just going to do a little bit of a bimble down. We're not going to be racing, we're not going to be riding hard. Hopefully keeping to the speed limit while we keep up with Nigel. Not racing anybody today. So yeah, his little W800 is a lovely little Kawasaki twin cylinder, retro, cool, classic styling. Not an expensive bike to own, to be fair. From what he's telling me, it wasn't expensive to buy. Low K's. As I say, Andy's behind. He's got a lovely Triumph Thruxton. We'll have a look at that in a bit. So it looks like we're going to be stuck behind these vehicles for a bit of a while, which I don't mind. Just going to bimble through here. I love the word bimble. A nice bimble through the country. Smashing. Mr. Subaru letting us go. He is, bless him. So yeah, following Nigel down to Lobethal. We've got Andy behind. We're just going to talk about some lines and how it's important that we get a good view of the road ahead and pick up clues everywhere. We're talking just road riding. It's not racing, it's not short circuit racing. It's about being prepared to meet yourself coming the other way as well. You know, the worst case scenario, if you're banked over around a bend and you're in the middle of the road on a right hand bend, leaning across, and you meet somebody else trying to do the same thing. 2 motorcyclists sitting each other would be nasty. Clipping your head on a car coming the other way, horrendous. So you've got to keep a good line through the bends, the apex, watching your vanishing point, which I'll show at some stage. And that's indicating left, is that no, that's right, we're turning right here. It's a junction here, so that's nice. All clear. Okay, nice and smooth. 60 road. Bimble through. So right hand bends, get to the left, not in the curb. Left hand bends get to the crown of the road, but at the same time as I'm coming here, I'm seeing vehicles coming the other way. I'm looking, I'm getting clues, and it's all about smooth, good gear changes, reading the roads. You rattler. What a place. Lost in a forest. If you're ever up here, that's the place to come and eat. Don't bother with the indicators till the off-due turn, well, should be right. Okay, here we go. Now, Lost in a Forest is up here to the left, I think. Here we go. Great place to eat, just here. Right, on the power, third gear, up to fourth, not racing, just nice bend, back to third, sharper there. Let's bank it in, on the power. Left hand side of the road here, just watching for that bad road surface, not leaning across the other side of the road, keep it tight there. Left hand side of the road here, it's nice and smooth. Not as good at commentating when it comes to these roads just yet, a bit of practice yet. Could have done that a lot better. Just ride instead of just talking about it, you might see some better lines. Nice tight line through there. Right, make sure there's nobody at it. Debris on the left, on the right, sorry. Just a bit of cardboard. Lovely camber. It's not a road I've ridden down before, so I've got to be a little bit conservative in my behaviour. Nigel clearly knows it. The secret is as well not to follow his tail lights. Do what I'm doing, don't look what he's doing, don't race people. Because what happens is you can get out of your depth if you're not too careful, so you've got to be careful with stuff like this. Read the road yourself, be confident in your own abilities, but don't go too quick. Learn the road, learn the capabilities of your bike, and ride smoothly. Super little road, really enjoying this. Andy's doing alright behind us. Really enjoying his Thruxton. As I say, Nigel's dabbing his brakes there, gives me a bit of a clue that it's tighter, but it's not too bad, it's alright. It's handy to use that back brake sometimes to calm that back end down. certainly if you're in the middle of a bend and accelerating out. It's a technique I sort of stumbled across and just with experimenting. Come into that at some point. You've got the power to hang right back on these trucks. You can look down their inside. No point in getting right up its chuffer. I've got a right hand turning here as well according to that sign, so I've got to be careful there's no cars coming out. I'm just going to bimble here through this section here, and I can have a look up his inside. Keeping it tight, as Nigel can as well from that angle, I can here. I can see there's nothing there, but it's an 80 road, so he's back now. Just dropping it back nice and tight. Easy. That was lovely through that section. Solid lines and a bit of a rise here, so I won't be tempting myself to go past him. So Nigel might get a chance now, but he's going to wait. No need. There's the sensible, so you've got quite a dip there. I've got all the power in the world on a motorbike, but of a reasonable sized capacity anyway. There's no point in causing undue stress to anybody or yourself. You're not going to win against one of them, are you? That truck's pulling in. It's a bit of a shoulder check. I knew where Andy was. So slowing it down, he's going left. And the road's ours. Watch this car turn in front of us. Good to go. Left hand bend here to the right side of the road, holding third gear into fourth, power away. Backing off, slowly backing it up. Balhanna, another nice little hamlet, little town. I forgot where we were going then. Loberthal, there's a nice little motorcycle cafe. That's where we're heading to for a brew, which is nice. As I say, I've never ridden down there before, so it's a new bit of road for me. I've probably driven it a few months ago, maybe a couple of years ago, but I've forgotten it all. I expect we'll be going left here. We are. Second gear. Nice and smooth, indicator off. Yeah, I get a lot of that here. I think it's becoming a little bit more prevalent with the nod from other motorcyclists, but everybody says hello in the UK, and I've noticed here we don't do it as much. It's a habit we need to bring in. The Aussie way of thinking. So we all love his bikes.